Welcome to Car Hub. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most iconic cars ever made, the 1967 Maserati Ghibli. This stunning machine captured the essence of luxury, performance, and Italian craftsmanship, quickly becoming a symbol of sophistication. Let's take a closer look at the Ghibli's specs, features, and what makes it stand out as a true classic. The 1967 Maserati Ghibli was introduced at the 1966 Turin Auto Show and was designed by the legendary Giorgetto Giugiaro. Detail design. It has a sleek, low-slung body with sharp lines and a sporty silhouette that turned heads wherever it went. Its exterior was available in various striking colors, and the design exuded an aura of power and elegance. This Grand Toureur's beauty wasn't just skin deep, it also boasted a formidable performance under the hood. The Ghibli was powered by a 4.7-litre V8 engine, capable of delivering around 330 horsepower. This engine allowed the Ghibli to reach a top speed of around 155 miles per hour, which was impressive for its time. Acceleration was also noteworthy, with the car going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 6 seconds. These performance figures made it one of the fastest cars in the world during the late 1960s. Inside, the Maserati Ghibli offered a luxurious and comfortable driving experience. The cabin was fitted with premium leather upholstery, wooden accents, and a dashboard designed with both elegance and functionality in mind. The attention to detail in the interior was exceptional, making it not just a sports car but a high-end, refined driving experience. The car's rear seats were surprisingly spacious, offering comfort for passengers on long journeys. Handling was another strong suit of the Ghibli. It featured a fully independent suspension system that provided a smooth, controlled ride while maintaining the car's athletic edge. The braking system was also top-notch, ensuring the car could handle its power and speed with confidence. As for the production numbers, Maserati built around 1,200 Ghibli units between 1967 and 1973, making it a rare and highly sought-after classic today. Its status as a collector's item only adds to the allure of this iconic car. The 1967 Ghibli, in particular, remains a standout among Maserati's rich history of performance cars. In terms of legacy, the Maserati Ghibli is still celebrated for its unique blend of luxury and performance. It paved the way for future Maserati models, leaving a lasting impact on the automotive world. If you're a fan of classic cars, the Maserati Ghibli is a must-see. Its design, power, and performance make it one of the most revered models in automotive history. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Car Hub for more car reviews and in-depth features. Stay tuned for more amazing content on the best cars from every era.